We're gonna try something we've never done before. You gonna do something else first? Like
No, it's good. What he means is we're going to try something I've never done before.
yeah. Well, Eric Bleach.
Eric Bleach, the band.
Eric Bleach, the person, has done it before.
But we don't know him.
You don't want to know him. I think it's in G. Might be in D.
Stick around for the next band. Nobody. They're great. They're good at birthday parties. They played at mine. Well, who played at your birthday party? Jeez.
Somebody who thought there was somebody. This is about a nobody. He thinks this is somebody.
Canary yellow, where have you been? If I hadn't stayed downtown, that's not how it starts. Told you this is an experiment.
That was just a sample of the later part.
Canary yellow, where are you now? Are you still skanking in the pit with your fresh bruised hips? Canary yellow, where have you been? If I hadn't stayed downtown, I wouldn't recognize the scene. They upsold endless rounds of shots for cocktails on the roof, where the old tube television sat. There's a photo booth, and there's no more young punk rockers lining up across the street. They're selling high-end swag to the urban elite. Canary yellow, where are you now? Are you still skanking in the pit with your fresh bruised hips? Canary yellow, where have you been? If I hadn't stayed downtown, I wouldn't recognize the scene. Sometimes I go down, catch our old man, he still sings your favorite song, but his habits long caught up to him, and the band is all moved on. I cut the crowds that jeer and shout, you can't conquer a freer man, and I drink to the loss of paradise we built around the band. Canary yellow, where are you now? Are you skanking in the pit with your fresh bruised hips. Canary yellow, where have you been? If I hadn't stayed downtown, I wouldn't recognize the scene. The hours are lost, not lost to time, though the memories morph and fade, and the legends grow and turn to stone as prosaic facts degrade. I see them now in my dreams at night, though their faces look the same. There's one who shines the brightest hue, though I've long since lost the name. Canary yellow, where are you now? Are you still skanking